Wait, you actually said that?
I did.
No.
Yes.
Please tell me you're joking.
I wish I was.
What happened?
I was talking to some people online.
Okay.
We were sharing our plans for the future.
Sounds normal.
Then someone asked about my life goals.
And?
I said, my goal is to become rich next month.
Next month?
Yes.
Not next year.
No.
Not someday.
No.
Next month.
That's what I said.
What happened after that?
Everyone got quiet.
Because they thought it was a joke.
The problem was that I wasn't joking.
That's a very big goal.
I know.
And a very fast goal.
Also true.
Did anyone ask how?
Yes.
What did you say?
I said, I don't know yet.
Amazing.
Not in a good way.
Definitely not in a good way.
That's when I realized something.
What?
Having a dream and having a plan are different things.
Exactly. So today we're talking about life goals. Hi everyone, I'm Lena.
And I'm Max.
Welcome to the TalkMates.
We help you learn English through natural conversations.
If you're just starting out with English, this episode is made for you.
We're keeping everything simple today.
And we're talking about life goals.
The things we hope to do in the future.
Some goals are big.
Some goals are small.
And some goals need better planning.
Like mine.
Especially yours.
That's fair.
Let's start with a simple question.
Okay.
What is a life goal?
Something you want in the future.
Exactly.
It could be a better job.
It could be learning a skill.
It could be saving money.
Or improving your English.
That's a great goal.
What's one of your goals right now?
I want to learn the guitar.
Really?
Yes.
How long have you had that goal?
About 3 years.
Have you started?
Not exactly.
So it's still a dream.
It's a little painful.
But true.
Fine.
What's stopping you?
I always say I don't have time.
Do you really not have time?
Sometimes.
And the rest of the time?
I'm watching videos.
I thought so.
You know me too well.
Many people do this.
Really?
Yes. They have a goal.
But they never start.
Because starting feels difficult.
That's true.
Learning something new can be scary.
Especially at the beginning.
Why?
Because you're not good at it.
Exactly.
Nobody likes being bad at something.
But that's part of learning.
I know.
Every expert started as a beginner.
Well, it's easy to forget.
Very easy.
What's one of your goals?
I want to keep learning new things.
Such as?
Photography.
Are you good at it?
Not yet.
Honest answer.
Learning takes time.
Everything takes time.
That's an important lesson.
I wish goals came with a fast button.
They don't.
Unfortunately.
Let's talk about a useful expression.
Okay.
People often say, I want to.
Very common.
For example, I want to learn English.
Or I want to save money.
Or I want to travel more.
I use that all the time.
Most people do.
Remember making a mistake with it.
What happened?
I said, I want to become a chef.
Ah.
Everyone understood me.
But it wasn't correct.
Why?
Because we say, I want to become a chef.
We need the word to.
Exactly.
That's easy enough.
Good.
So I can say, I want to learn the guitar.
Perfect.
Finally.
Let's imagine someone wants better English.
That's a common goal.
Very common.
What should they do?
Small steps.
Such as?
Listen every day.
Good idea.
Learn a few words.
Not 50 words?
No,
100?
definitely not.
Fine.
Small steps are easier.
And easier to continue.
Exactly.
I think that's where people fail.
Why?
They try to do too much.
That's true.
Then they get tired,
And they stop.
which is worse than going slowly.
Much worse.
Let me tell you a story.
Go ahead.
Last year, I decided to exercise every day.
Sounds good.
On the first day, I exercised for 2 hours.
2 hours?
Yes.
That's a lot.
On the second day, I exercised for 1 hour.
Okay.
On the third day, I did nothing.
And?
That was the end.
That's exactly the problem.
I know.
You started too fast.
I wanted fast results.
Most people do.
But life doesn't work that way.
Usually not.
If I tried again, I'd start smaller.
That's smarter.
Maybe 20 minutes.
Much better.
Sometimes simple plans are stronger.
I completely agree.
Here's something interesting.
What?
Some people think successful people never fail.
That's not true.
Not at all.
Everyone makes mistakes.
Everyone,
Even successful people.
especially successful people.
Because they try many things.
And trying means failing sometimes.
Exactly.
That's actually comforting.
It is.
Let's talk about a common mistake.
Good idea.
Sometimes people say, my goal is learn English.
That's not correct.
Why?
We say, my goal is to learn English.
Another two.
Yes.
That little word is busy.
Very busy.
I'll remember that.
Good.
Here's a question.
Okay.
Do goals change?
Absolutely.
Really?
Yes.
I thought people chose one goal forever.
Not usually.
Why not?
Because people change.
That makes sense.
What you wanted 5 years ago may be different now.
That's true.
And that's okay.
Sometimes people feel bad about changing goals.
They shouldn't.
Why?
Because life changes.
Good point.
The important thing is moving forward.
Even slowly.
Especially slowly.
That's encouraging.
Here's the shareable moment.
Oh,
Many people say they have no goals.
I've heard that.
Then you ask one question.
Which question?
What do you wish was different next year?
Ah,
Suddenly, they have many answers.
better health.
More confidence.
Better English.
More money saved.
A different job.
Exactly.
So they do have goals.
They just call them wishes.
That's interesting.
Very interesting.
I think many listeners will recognize themselves.
I think so too.
Let's do some practice.
Great idea.
You give the situation?
And you answer?
I'll try.
Situation 1. Someone asks about your future.
I want to improve my English.
Perfect.
Easy.
Situation 2. You want a new skill.
I want to learn the guitar.
Nice.
I should probably start.
Yes, you should.
Fair.
Situation 3. You want to save money.
My goal is to save money this year.
Excellent.
I'm getting better.
You are.
One more.
Okay. Someone asks about a dream job.
I want to become a chef.
Perfect.
And I remembered the word to.
I'm proud of you.
Thank you.
Before we finish, let's remember today's idea.
Life goals don't need to be perfect.
They don't need to be huge.
And they don't need to happen tomorrow.
Small steps matter.
Consistency matters.
Starting matters.
That's probably the hardest part.
But also the most important.
I agree.
So think about your future.
Think about something you'd like to change.
Then take one small step.
Just one.
You might be surprised by what happens.
And please don't say you'll become rich next month.
Unless you actually have a plan.
Which I still don't.
We're working on that.
Slowly.
Very slowly.
Thanks for listening, everyone.
We hope you enjoyed today's conversation.
See you next time.